Maintaining the functionality is a crucial aspect of home sanitation. However, clogging issues can arise unexpectedly, leading to inconvenience and discomfort. When faced with such situations, it's important to exercise caution and follow proper guidelines to ensure safe and effective unclogging. This essay outlines essential notes to consider when self-unclogging septic tanks and toilets at home, emphasizing safety, proper chemical usage, and practical tips. Prepare gloves and masks. When dealing with septic tank and toilet clogs, personal protective equipment, PPE, is essential to safeguard your health. Using gloves, particularly long rubber gloves, is crucial to prevent contact with dirty water and potentially harmful substances. The unpleasant odor emanating from stagnant water can cause discomfort and headaches, hence wearing a mask is advisable. This protective gear will not only ensure your well-being but also create a barrier between you and any potential health hazards. Read instructions carefully before using chemicals. Chemicals can be effective in unclogging septic tanks and toilets, but their proper handling is paramount. High toxicity levels associated with certain chemicals demand careful usage. Reading and understanding instructions is vital to avoid contact with the skin, eyes, or inhalation of harmful fumes. After use, storing these chemicals in a secure, high place inaccessible to children is essential to prevent accidental exposure and potential harm. Do not close the toilet door while unclogging. Unpleasant odors and chemical fumes can accumulate during the unclogging process, causing discomfort and health issues. Closing the toilet door exacerbates these problems by trapping odorous compounds within the confined space. To mitigate this, it is advisable to keep all windows and toilet doors open during the unclogging procedure. This practice facilitates the dispersion of odors and fumes, creating a more breathable environment. Avoid mixing different chemicals. Various unclogging chemicals contain distinct substances that serve specific purposes. Mixing different chemicals can trigger chemical reactions, potentially leading to increased toxicity and danger. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid using multiple unclogging agents simultaneously. By adhering to this guideline, you prevent the risk of unintended chemical reactions and ensure the safety of your unclogging process. Turn off the toilet water pipe. Minimizing the potential for water overflow is a practical step to prevent further mess and complications during unclogging. Before beginning the unclogging process for septic tanks or toilets, it is wise to turn off the water pipe to the affected area. This precautionary measure helps control the water flow and ensures a more controlled environment for addressing the clogging issue. Conclusion: self-unclogging septic tanks and toilets at home requires careful attention to safety and proper procedures. By adhering to guidelines such as wearing gloves and masks, reading chemical instructions diligently, maintaining good ventilation, avoiding chemical mixtures, and turning off the water pipe, homeowners can effectively and safely address clogs. These precautions not only ensure successful unclogging but also safeguard the health and well-being of those involved in the process. As responsible homeowners, it is essential to prioritize safety while maintaining the cleanliness and functionality of essential household facilities.